Hey guys, what's up? I'm Azurv, and today I'm going to show you how to make low quality, like very low quality videos for no reason. I don't know why I'm making this video, but if you just want to make crappy quality videos, then here's a tutorial for you. So you're going to go to this website called Cloudconvert.com. It's in the link in the description below, so you can actually check it out. So the way it works is you can convert videos into different file types, and any other file you can convert like .zip into .var and stuff. Any file type you can convert, but it's mainly used for like JPEGs and videos. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to convert, and then whatever file type. If you're on iPhone, I'd rather pick MOV to MOV because that doesn't really do anything at all. So select file, you're gonna select it from your photo library or from your files app, which it's on my photo library, so I'm actually gonna blur this out quick. I don't really want you to see it anyway. So here's like an edit I made. I think I posted it to YouTube so you can see it. It's my latest video. Excuse me. So you're gonna go to here, and it says full size render.mov. So that's how you know it's an MOV file. So you're gonna go to this little wrench icon thing, and you're gonna go to or change all this. So you're gonna go to resolution, make it the lowest quality. Don't do custom. That's 4K. You don't want that. That's 1080p. All this. But go to the lowest one, which is 320 by 240p. That's 240p. So you're gonna go with that. And then don't change the aspect ratio. If you want to, which I doubt it. I doubt that you want to, but I recommend just not changing it at all. Go to constant quality. This will make a very low quality. Go all the way to the bottom. Worst quality, 51. Don't change video codec or preset or tune, profile, level. Don't change any of those. I don't know what they do. I've never tried them, so I recommend just not using them. You can play around with it if you want, but I'm not gonna. So FPS, just make it like 10 FPS to make it so crap quality. I just recommend doing 15 or 14 because then you can easily see what's going on, but if you want to make it so crap quality, you can do like 1 frame per second. That's like, I don't know, crap. So to change if you were to export this right now, then it would probably just look really low quality, the video, but the audio would be fine. Like, you never change the audio. But if you want to change the audio, if you want to, you go to here. Don't change video audio codec or volume. You can make the volume super duper loud by going to all the way up here, plus 640. I'm not gonna do that. You can make it super duper loud and do it as many times if you want. I'm not gonna. Just leave it. This is the thing you want to change. Audio bitrate. So make this, and this is gonna be funny. 16. Yeah, 16. Or if you want to go even lower quality, go with 8. I recommend going with 8 if you want to make it so crap. So then, once you're done, you're gonna go to this X. Close that out, and as you can see, it's all there. So just click that X. So then you're gonna go to convert. Make sure it's not a big file. So if it's a big file, then it might take a while. So just don't really do a big file like you can do a 1-minute video or something like that. Just do whatever you want. It's fine. So I'll catch you back when I'm done. So now, when it's done, it should say finished. So just actually don't turn off your phone when you do this, or just go out of your Safari or web browser, because that will kind of wreck it. So it will kind of say that it will probably say that the converting failed, so just don't do that. When it's finished, it should say finish and then download. So click download, or the download button, and then it should bring you to this menu. Click download. And then you see this little icon up here. Well, you can view it from here. So full size render 3, that should be the one that you click. So let's watch it. guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also guys, ignore my crazy hair. Actually 97% of you are not subscribed. So I recommend subscribing and it'll make your day. Also, like this video, share it with your friends so they can watch it with you too. And turn on those notifications, hit that bell to never miss a video that I upload. So I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.